Hello my friends and welcome back to another episode of Flutter Explained. Today we want to talk about navigation in Android Studio, and without further ado, let's get started. Today we want to talk about navigation in Android Studio and how we can do that the best way. The best possible way is on the left side, bottom side, and on the right side, you see everywhere we have these different tabs, right, for all the different stuff. And also like the project itself, I'll change that for now here, and we can see the resource manager and so on and so forth. And now we can click, of course, on all of these different tabs to see what is behind. But there is actually a much better way. The first way that we have is if you see one of these tabs with a number, then you can click immediately on that number. So if we press Command 1, it opens the project. If I press Command 6, we can see down there the logcat is started, and so on and so forth. But the other way is if I can press also Control and Tab. And what you see here is a lot of information that are different keyboard shortcuts even. So you can see the Flutter Inspector, for example, is Command I. And if I press Command Tab and I see, for example, that I that I have here, and I press now the I on the keyboard, you can see it immediately open up the Flutter Inspector. Or if I press an E, you see the event log and the Flutter devices with Command F. With that, you can navigate very quickly around, and also with Control Tab, you can see on the right side all open files that you have in the project. So if I want to go very quickly to, for example, lib main dart, I can just select it and let it be, and it switches automatically between these two files around. Very handy to navigate very quickly in Android Studio. Alright guys, so that's for today's episode of Flutter Explained. I hope you liked that and you will use that a lot, because now we are coming closer to a Mouseless Friday. So on the right side you find the subscribe button. On top of me you have the two videos that you are maybe interested in, and if you really like that video, it would be amazing if you can share it. So enjoy the rest of your day and see ya tomorrow guys. See ya!